Kukiverse. Hi friends, I have been playing all day and now look at my room. It is full of toys, books, clothes, crayons. Oh no, what a mess. I want to clean up and you can help me. So do you want to help me clean my room? Great! Then let's go. Look, here are 4 big colorful boxes for sorting. The red box is for toys. The blue box is for books. The green box is for clothes. And the yellow box is for art things. Now let's play a fun sorting game. Every time I find something, you ask, where does it go? If it's wrong, we try again. If it's right, then yay, we did it. So let's begin. Look at this red t-shirt. Is it a toy? Is it a book? Is it art? Is it a cloth? Yes, it's a t-shirt. Let's put it in the green clothes box. Look, I found a puzzle piece. Is it a book? Is it a cloth? Is it art? Is it a toy? Yes, it's a toy. Let's put it in the red toy box. Look, a cute little crayon. Is it a toy? Is it a book? Is it a cloth? Does it go in the art box? Yes, we can use crayons to draw and color, so it goes in the yellow art box. Look at the storybook. Is it a toy? Maybe clothes? Is it something to draw on? Is it a book? Yes, it should go in the blue book box. Now let's do a quick round of sorting for the rest of the items. A sock? Where will the sock go? Yes, the green clothes box. A ball. Yes, the red toy box. A drawing made by me. Yes, the yellow art box. Wow, look around. My room is all clean and tidy. All toys are in the red box. All books are in the blue book box. Clothes in the green clothes box. And art things in the yellow art box. I'm so happy that my room is all clean. Thank you so much for helping me out. See you soon next time. Bye. Check out our books on Amazon and subscribe to our channel.